Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about the lowly dandelion. Yes, the weed that is actually a flower. So I started with the dandelion. You can see with a bloom, a spent bloom, and then the seed pod. To harvest these for designing, it's all in the treatment. Start with Aquanet. Yes, the most strong hairspray that you can find, and spray it before you pick. So you go outside, get on your hands and knees, and spray down that bloom. Get it saturated. Then let it dry. Then you can pick it and place a wire up through the stem. That will support it. For the actual drying time, I find it best to take that wire and hook it over a hanger and just let them sit. They'll harden off, dry, and then I go back and hairspray them again because I want to make sure that none of those little fuzz balls fly away. Then once you have finished, you can design with them, creating beautiful dried bouquets with that little bit of whimsy of it being a dandelion. Now maybe you're like Teacher Michelle and you have Amazon dandelions. Can you imagine these? Lacquered gold, silver, copper, and including them in your holiday designs? Now, you're going to be wanting to be on the hunt for dandelions because you know the pro technique for drying.